Many meditations are a great way to introduce a person to the practice of meditation. Regular meditation can seem very daunting. Maybe you've never meditated before, or maybe you've tried meditations, never seem to work. A mini meditation may be a way to introduce you to the process, an easy way to break into meditation. Mini meditations can also help to supplement your regular, longer meditation sessions. Many meditations can also be used as a pick me up. If you're feeling low energy, you're stressed, you're depressed, you're anxious, and you don't have time to go do a regular meditation, you could do a mini meditation. Now, what is the difference between a mini meditation and a regular meditation? Well, a mini meditation can be as short as 1 to 3 minutes, whereas a regular meditation may go much longer, 20, 30 minutes or more. A mini meditation can be done anywhere, anytime, whereas a regular meditation would tend to have a set time and set location. Mini meditation is a simplification of a longer meditation. So, what do you need for a mini meditation? 3 to 5 deep breaths, quick visualization, and an affirmation. And with these 3 to 5 quick breaths, it's the same as when you're doing a regular meditation. What I recommend is you breathe in deeply through your nose, hold for approximately 8 seconds, exhale through your mouth. And you do this 3 to 5 times. Regular meditation, I tend to recommend 5 to 10 deep breaths, but for a mini, 3 to 5 is good. Quick visualization. You could visualize a whole myriad of things: a park setting, a beach setting, a forest setting, whatever's peaceful to you. And then an affirmation, which could be a portion of scripture, an affirming saying, virtually anything that's positive. So I'm going to lead you through a quick mini meditation. We're going to have our 3 elements. We're going to do three quick breaths. We could do 3 to 5, but we'll do 3. Quick visualization and our affirmation. And I'll say the affirmation twice and then just repeat it in your mind several times, maybe like 10 times or so. Let's just start. So get comfortable in your chair. Close your eyes and let's begin. Take in your first deep breath in through the nose. Hold and exhale. Breathe in and exhale. Breathe in and exhale. Now just imagine yourself on a beautiful beach. See the blue sky. See the ocean. See the tide coming in. It's beautiful water, deep blue as far as the eye can see. On the side of you are mountainy cliffs. And these cliffs are very high and majestic. Take a moment to take in the beach, how beautiful it is. You can feel the water in the air. You can hear seagulls flying by. It's beautiful. I'm going to do one affirmation with you. Just repeat it in your mind. I am filled with overwhelming peace. I am filled with overwhelming peace. Just repeat that in your mind several times. Now you're just going to slowly open up your eyes, return to the room. Quick mini meditation. Try it anytime you want. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Share this channel with your friends. If you'd like to learn more about meditation, check out my course on meditation online. Beautifully put together. It was a labor of love. Thank you.